What's going on, guys? This is Corey from IROC-Z Nation. A couple of days have went by. There's a couple of things that went wrong. We had to wait for a whole week to get things done, but we got things done right. We got things done now, and I'm gonna show you the video where we are at, because there is something that we got planned for y'all today. So as he's driving down right there, I got something to show y'all guys. So let's get to the clip. Place to go, huh? We'll figure out why in a second. So, something I had to buy and they didn't have it here, so now we have to go all the way to Westchester to buy it. So. Today is a hot day. Today is a real hot day. When things don't go the way you plan, nothing goes the way you planned. So, switching cars.
Standards of this car is fucking dirty.
The new car of the channel almost chipped over there. Ready? You ready? Bam! New car.
Where's my tool bag?
Of course, it's right there. There it is.
I'm moving this Corby Jeep.
But there's a catch.
Corby Jeep.
It's an A6. For now. But shorties, X-pipe, exhaust. Alright, I gotta do some work. I can't film the work. So, I'll let you know when this shit's done. Asshole. He forgot to get something what he could have told me to get earlier. Now, the thing about this car, well, right now, it is a car that's going to get me from point A to point B. Pretty much now it's considered a beater car, because, you know, I need a car to get around. Getting rid of this. Definitely getting rid of that. Get rid of that fake shit over there. I might just take that off. That's the 35th anniversary. I might just take that off. We didn't get started yet. We forgot. But yeah. TZ Nation starts now. The name of the channel will change once this debut. We'll start now. It's just like, yeah, there's that clear coat is coming off, but like I said, it's a beater for you right now. Don't worry about anything. I do like the tires, the wheels and the tires though. 265, 35, R18. That is hard rate. Might upgrade to a 275, 285, don't know. Right now, it's just a beater car. It's just to get me from point A. Take a look at the inside. Interior's nice. Just 3 seats. I mean, 3 seats are good, 1 seat is bad. I'll go to the junkyard and get a new seat. It's good. It's just like Darnay's. And of course, I have the lock one, but no head unit. But I have something in store for that. That'll work with this. And yeah, that is the real authentic 460 cents. Oh man. But this is the issue. It's upside down. This is the issue that it needs to be done with it. This is what we have. This is what needs to be done with it. This is because I'm thirsty. Hold on. That just became hot now. But that's her. New Edge. Gang gang, Mustang, gang crew. Yeah. Oh, you're starting that again. You're starting that. Yeah, I am starting that. But yeah, that's her. So, as I walk over to the spot again, since Donnie wants to say, don't let nobody take my spot. Let me do some touch-ups here. Definitely getting rid of them. Definitely getting rid of them. I don't like them. Well, they're the halos. I just don't like the way it looks. I can, you can get the halos, I'm pretty sure, without it looking like that. I just don't like that. All things coming into play. All stuff is coming into play right now, but like I said before, right now, it's just a beater. It's just for something just to get me started on the road. It's just to get something started, something to get something going. It is very hot today. I wanted to do this yesterday, but apparently, I thought Donnie thought he was, you know, it's like he thought he was working yesterday, and he wasn't. And I thought, well, anyway, yesterday would have been a better day to do this, but it is what it is at the end of the day. But for right now, just wanted to let you know that the car is done. And I'm waiting for Darnay to get here so we can work on this car, get the car done right where it needs to be, and get this car on the road. Because this car is not on the road yet. IROC's about to get worked on. I already had the guy messaged me from the thing, so about to get started on the IROC project. This will be the car that gets me from point A to point B, that gets me that better job. You think? Yeah, this shit. It's coming off ratherly easy. And yeah, I am. Well, I'm pretty much besides my neck. What? This shit is crazy. I was underneath the Chevy, now I'm underneath the Ford. Shut up. Oh, you want to start with the V6 jokes? Okay. People down below, you might as well comment down your little V6 jokes too. What? Oh. Oh, you son of a bitch. Alright, getting off. Oh, I'm kind of driving right now. I can't do that while I'm underneath pressure because apparently the car didn't have enough transmission fluid and it was causing it to kind of slip. So I was going to do an in-car vlog when I was driving it home, but you know, things that kind of went a bit sketched on the sketch side. So I was like, let me not do that right now. So one primary focus was just to get it home. Service light came on, and you can't pass inspection with the service light on, so that just set me back in quite a few things. That just really set me over the edge on that. So now I'm going to go to Turkey Hill, give me some transmission and oil fluids. Well, on my street, they're launching fireworks. Of course, they had to launch fireworks at a bad time, where I was literally like running back and forth. It's the neighbors over there. You can see I had to send it. I had to make my own filter, and you can see it's leaking there. I had to fucking send it, as you can see. Hold on. See right there? I had to fucking send it. All the way up there. On the camera. I had to send it all the way. Good catch. All the way up here. All the way up here. All the way up there. There she is, guys. The car for the official YouTube channel will officially be TZ Nation. 87. Yeah, see, I sent it, and I gotta clean this shit up. There's a reason why I had to send it. Because, well, 717 exempt. Gotta get inspection, but hey, 717. You know, it's a thing. It's a thing. It would have been great to film the episode driving this. Sorry it's in the dark, but it would have been great filming this on the drive. I mean, the sketch level was beyond sketchy. I have a trunk button. Bam. Bam. Gotta move that to up here, because a video will be coming about me doing that, because this is in here and that wheel is for that. And they're American racing, American muscle. Yeah, looks great, doesn't it? Looks great. So yeah, there's that. So actually, let's do this. If you guys are stopping in for the first time, please like, subscribe, comment down below. If you like the content of this video, many more will be coming up. But if you like the content of this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Now, this is the Mustang content. Now, what this channel is going to be doing now, while the race car is in the shop, this is the beauty car. I've been working on this to get this running. But then eventually, I'm going to look for another car while I'm looking for an apartment, because this car will get me a better job. Because the job that I have now, I'll be working on part-time, like on the weekends, and I'll be with a real job, because I can't, you know, the things that I need, I can't afford on $10.50 an hour. I need at least 20. There's like 20 minimum. There's no possible way that I can get things done that I wanted to get with $10.50 an hour. No possible way. But right now, this is the beauty car. When I have a better job and everything else, this will be the future Terminator Cobra build. Anyway, I'm about to just talk over that. This car has a story of all the sketchy things that I went through to get this car here. There's 7 times attempting to get this car here. And this video took like over a week because of planning just to get this car here. And now the rest of the stuff I have to get later on to get it like inspected and driving and everything else. But if you are stopping for the first time, please like, subscribe, comment down below. If you want to get a notification whenever my video comes up, hit that notification bell to let you know whatever time my video comes up. So, TZ Nation is officially here. IROC-Z Nation is out. TZ Nation is here. IROC-Z content will be coming. Soon. I just got to get things in order with this car first so I can drive down there to actually do that. Drive down there on my own terms, on my own time. So, give this video a big old thumbs up. Take care and have a great day.
I'm never gonna let you go.